A patch of parched grass may be seen as the result of climate change. Unruly children may be interpreted through the lens of the science of parenting. A fast food shop may be looked at through what we know of nutrition or obesity. In all these ways, scientific reasoning connects to, and sometimes displaces, other lenses. Land seen primarily through the lens of belonging, food through the lens of pleasure and gratification, children through the lens of belief or the sanctity of the family. But to the extent that science has grown, so too has it become more dangerous. Some still hold to a view of science as cool, calm, and ordered, with the quiet hum of laboratories and people in white coats bringing sanity and rationality, where once there was chaos, capriciousness, and violence. However, this picture is not accurate. New knowledge is unsettling and destabilizing. It answers some questions but generates new ones. Ever more of the risks we face are the results, either direct or indirect, of scientific progress, from the development of a carbon-based industrial civilization to nuclear and biological weapons, rampant artificial intelligence, to genetically modified organisms. New knowledge destroys old jobs as well as old sources of authority. It reveals new areas of ignorance and creates new anxieties and justified fears. This is the paradox of science, that it is both ever more vital and ever more dangerous. This is obvious when we look at the countless threats that originate in science, from pathogens to pollutants. The Commission for the Human Future, in 2022, for example, highlighted 10 potentially catastrophic threats to human survival, a list similar to many other ones. These are, in no particular order: 1. Decline of natural resources, particularly water. 2. Collapse of ecosystems and loss of biodiversity. 3. Human population growth beyond Earth's carrying capacity. 4. Global warming and human-induced climate change. 5. Chemical pollution of the Earth system, including the atmosphere and oceans. 6. Rising food insecurity and failing nutritional quality. 7. Nuclear weapons and other weapons of mass destruction. 8. Pandemics of new and untreatable disease. 9. The advent of powerful, uncontrolled new technology. 10. National and global failure to understand and act preventatively on these risks. Most are the direct or indirect results of a science and technology-based civilization, and all are amplified by the last risk listed here. These, together, make the case for new arrangements and institutions on the cusp of science and politics to better avoid national and global failure. But how?